Hello guys, today we will learn how to use CSS. For doing this, first I will create a folder, for example testing, and I will go straight in Chrome. You can see there is a Chrome, Google Chrome. If you don't have, you can install it from here. So this is the browser, and I think most of you already know about it. So I'm going here, and I have created a file index.html. In case if this is not showing in your so computer, you can go to options and go straight to views and uncheck this option, hide extension for no file type. I have unchecked it, and we can see the file over here. And for open it in VS Code, we can open cmd and type code. This will open this in VS Code. So you can see here there is nothing in the file because I created the file from the explorer. So I go there and I type it. You can see I got the full page, some text written by the editor. The simple way to do this is simply write HTML and you can choose the template and click tab and this will be shown. So this is the way we can get started very cheaply. Uh, this is not only one way, but you can use it same thing for many things. For example, you can see this is related for Vue.js, and I'm not sure about the other thing, but this is how templates snips work in VS Code. So I created for this, and you can see this is head, this is body, this is HTML, and this is title. I think you have already know about this thing. If you don't know about this thing, you can simply go to W3. I simply not prefer W3 school because it's a very incorrect things knowledge information. So you can learn from here. W3.org is a good way. It's officially is a good way to learn, and simply go to uh, each MDN. You can better go to MDN and learn CSS there. So you can use the site for learning. You can find you can learn CSS from here. So today we will learn how to scrum.in to learn CSS. So you can see my code here. For CSS making using adding CSS, I will create a file. I simply go there here. This is called my sidebar, and in this particular software, it's called Explorer. I go to Explorer and tap standard CSS, and you can see my standard CSS file I have created. And when I click on here, you can see I have open side by side. If you don't know the shortcut, you can simply go there and use split editor. This will split your items in multiple parts. So I'm closing this, and you can see I am going to get the autocomplete for the properties. For example, if I write this, and for using this CSS, I need to link this on my this page. You can see I attach the file, and this is so for working on for checking. We will open this in. You can see this page is red because I have set it red. The good part of HTML coding these days are that you can write CSS in your browser. You don't even need to go to the editor for anything. For example, I will show you example. a demo. I go, I open the Chrome tool using Control type, and I go to Source tab, click on File Stream, add folder on WhatsApp, and I will simply open this folder path, so I can simply modify this file from my browser. Allow. You can see the code. You can see the green sign. The green sign means this file has been connected or mapped to the your file system. For example, tap, if I change it to blue, and you can see the same. And if I control save it, it will change my the file in my this. So same way, my HTML file has been mapped to the file in my system. So if I make any changes in this file, it will save these changes to my file. So I didn't need to go to the VS Code for making a simple change. So making a simple changes in Chrome tool will save those changes in the file. For example, I will show you a quick demo. So this is heading. You can see there is nothing, and I don't think it is included. So you can see I have right, this is heading, and you can see this is here, but I'm not sure why this is not taking changes. Maybe this HTML file does not loaded. You can, if you make changes in, so going to source and net file, it will not take the changes. You cannot see the document will not reflected the changes. But if you change this to something, it will save on the thread. So this is the benefit of using this. Okay, so this is how we get CSS. This is background property, and for for learning purpose, you can use this tool to practice your CSS and HTML. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.